What's good, YouTube gang? Today we are going to be analyzing the market. It's the Sunday, and then we are going to analyze for next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Basically, we're analyzing the weekly projection. Where is the market likely to go? So we're going to be analyzing today, Sunday, and we're going to be analyzing gold and USD JPY. And then after analyzing those guys, if my bias aligns with your bias, we may also trade together. And then I'm here to just tell you my perspective of where the market is going. So for now, take your notes or pull up your charts, and then let's get to the charts. I will see you the other side. Shout out. Okay guys, so let's go to the markets. So we're going to go to the MT5, and then we'll be looking at gold. So I'll be analyzing using the phone, and I'll show you just a picture of my analysis on the trading view, because my screen recorder on the PC is still misbehaving. So yeah, as you can see guys, gold has been bullish for a very long time. Gold has been very bullish. It was a consolidation here, and then it's been an upward trend until over here. Then over here it started correcting, and then now it's continuing towards the upside. So what we will do is that we'll start our trend. Start to draw our trend over here. Because of this one, okay, we'll start drawing our trend over here, because this is the place where the trend is starting to, like this, to show well, right? Otherwise the other parts weren't that clear. As it grows, it was going exponentially. So as you can see over here, as you can see over here, it was a small correction towards the downside, making from it was making lower lows, and then higher lows, and lower lows, and higher lows. Then now it is out. Then it just broke there. It just broke the higher low over here. So when it breaks the higher low over here, it signals a change, a break of structure rather, because of remember, it's still going towards the upside, right? Yes, others would have seen change of character on this correction, but this is just a correction, guys. So that's why you have to combine ICT with trend lines, so that you can know the difference between an actual change of character and just a small correction that signals that the market is gonna continue soon. So yeah, so that you're not caught in the wrong trades. So I'm gonna change the color of this one style. I'm just gonna make it like this, and then I'm gonna give it a red color. So this will be my this, I will consider it as my as it broke the highest point, which signals a break of structure. So when there's a break of structure, what you expect is that on this point over here, right, you expect the market to sort of come back maybe to this point. It can come back to this point and go up, or it can come back to this point. What I want to see is that the market will have to form some form of liquidity over here. Then it will break towards the downside, maybe to this or to this order block right here. But me, I'm going to mark out the lowest one. This is where I genuinely want to see it come to, but also it can turn here. It depends, right? Yeah, it's all about the change of character where it happens. Where the change of character happens is where I take the trade. So this is like where my order block is, if I'm anticipating an order block, right? If I'm anticipating a change. And then what I genuinely want to see the market do, well, unfortunately on this one we do not have that thing on trading, that analyzing thing on trading view. But what you want to see is that you want to see the market do this, right? You want to see the market do this, like sort of consolidate on this area. And after consolidating on this area, you want to see the market, breaking past that area. Sorry guys, yeah, the consequences of analyzing with phones. You want to see the market breaking to this area to come down here, you see. So once it comes to that, you know that it has broken, or it has formed liquidity, which I'll do over here, and then I'll color it red because of its liquidity. Yes, so that's my liquidity area. So I want to see the market breaking past, forming liquidity and breaking past the same liquidity towards the next order block. Then once it reaches the order block, I'm expecting the market to do what? To reject towards the upside, right? I'm expecting the market to reject towards the upside and then form a swing high. So when the market forms a swing high, I expect it to reject further towards the downside, maybe break this break this and form some, or grab some more liquidity. So if it grabs some more liquidity towards the downside, it will be good, but it doesn't have to, but it can. Remember, especially when it's coming to gold, it doesn't have to. Gold really moves differently, guys. So yeah, and then it changed towards the upside. So over here, over this point, it's a market shift, ne? You will see on my what analysis, ne? Or on the swing high over here, I expect what we call a market shift. So you'll see on my trading view analysis how do I analyze that, but this is just for me to show you guys what I'm anticipating. So this is the first thing that I'm anticipating, the market to touch, change character, go towards the upside. Then I'll be looking for trades until to this point over here. So until to this point over here. No, wait, okay. Yeah, until to this point over here, then I'm out of the market. Then or the market can also do this, just break this part over here. If it breaks this order block right here, then it symbolizes that it still wanna go further down, you see. So I expect it to retest the order block, inside the order block. And then if it retests the side inside the order block, expect it then to change again, retest and change. So if it does that, retest and break of structure towards the downside, then what I know is that the market is continuing towards the downside. So I'm looking for sales, right? So this is how I am looking for the market to do. And if the market doesn't do this, then that means the buyers are still strong. So what I'm expecting is that the market just simply continues towards the upside and breaks this level over here, you see. So then yeah, that's also a possibility, but this is what I'm anticipating the market to do for next week. So yeah, watch out for that.